So Meta finally respond to my email, and now they claim to ready to help me solve what is happening on my page. And I'm going to show you the email. As you can see right here, I'm going to read you what they said in that email. Apparently, I did not check my email. They have sent me email before, because this is actually a follow-up message according to them. So this is a reminder email that they have actually responded to me, and they did not hear anything from me, whether that issue has successfully been getting rid of or not. So that is why they actually send this email. Now, I do not know. Maybe they actually send this because obviously they claim, according to that email, they claim they have sent one before for me, and they give me guide on how to actually make. I'm going to read the email so you guys will see. So they basically give me an instruction on how to make this work, or they claim to help me do it. Okay, so in that the email, so they were expecting me to give them a feedback on how I did that. Maybe it eventually allow me to create my Facebook page or not. So you are seeing the message here. I'm going to read it for you, but before I go, I need you to understand something that is very, very important. I do not know, maybe this is going to work or not. So here we are going to test creating Facebook page in this particular video, to test it whether it actually work after they claim that they have worked on my account or not. Live here. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. We are going to open the Anyash air, whether it's really going to work or it's not going to work. We will see. Okay, so I'm going to read the email for you, so calm down and listen to what they actually said. So you'll be seeing the email on my screen, so you can actually be reading as I'm reading together. They say, hi, Ajinde Olamilekan. That is my Facebook page. You can see the Facebook account here. So this is the account that I actually reported that it is not creating Facebook page, that I'm having hard time to create Facebook page, and it is showing me this particular error. And this is the same error that everybody is actually seeing, whether they are using Facebook Lite or you are using Facebook, real Facebook. Okay, so they say, hi, Olamilekan, Ajinde Olamilekan. This is an automation reminder that we are waiting on additional information from you to continue on working on your case. Okay, so this is the number that they give the case in their company. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a reminder that they have worked on this particular case, but they are actually waiting for me to give them response whether this thing actually work or not. I do not know. Maybe it's going to work, and few minutes to this time we are going to figure it out whether it actually work or not. So if it didn't work, I'm just going to hit them back straightly and tell them that this thing is not actually work. So it's a good news that they actually respond to my email. Now, before AI replied to us, but now we can get to them. Okay, they can actually reply us. Okay, so we can get to interact and express our problem for them and our frustration for them, so they can actually help us fix what is happening. I think this is one of the good news I've seen so far when it comes to this creating Facebook page updates. Okay, so now let me read the remaining message. It says, if your issue have not been resolved, please reply with the request information so we can work to resolve this issue. Meta, there's a thanks and Meta support. As you can see, this is actually came from Meta. You can see their verification, this thing. So now their message shows that they actually help me out, and they wait for me to give them response, which I did not give. Okay, created this particular video 1 month ago, and in that video I actually emailed them. I break down 2 steps to get to Meta, so they can actually reach out to us and help us fix what is happening on our page. This is basically for people that are having this error while they are creating their account. A lot of my viewers have been complaining to me that they were having hard time in creating this, and a lot of people that watch my video on how to create Facebook page are actually drop the comments that they can't create Facebook page and they're having this issue. And I have people in my community that are actually giving me the particular complaint, which is why I came to the point where I actually find how to email Meta support, and we can have human being, not robot, to access our account and help us fix whatever that is happening there, so we can successfully create our Facebook page. And now, so far so good, I did not hear from them, which is what I do. I have made this video to give people that are commenting on that video, that are actually requesting, maybe I actually get a response from them. I have made this video to explain to them that I did not see any response. But as you can see here, after I made the video, they actually sent me this reminder, which means obviously they have sent me one before. I mistakenly delete it. I don't know, because sometimes I just delete all kinds of this plenty emails. So I might just delete them. So maybe I mistakenly delete it. I don't know. Now, here is the thing. Okay, here is the thing. We are going to try this. Now, they have claimed that they helped me solve it, and they told me to give them feedback if I try it and it didn't work. Okay, so I'm going to try it, and if it didn't work, I'm going to give them response through the email, and I'm going to email them, and I give them all my frustration. I go pull them on top. Okay, so I will let them know that it is not working, so we can have a further more on this thing, so they can help us actually fix this. So without wasting our time, let's get into the video while I test this thing. Maybe it actually work. That so I cannot create my Facebook page after I email them and they respond to me claiming that they have actually helped me resolve it based on the reminder that they sent to me. So let's go and do it quickly. So this is my Facebook account, so I'm just going to try it out. I'm using Facebook Lite. Okay, I'm using Facebook Lite. So after I tried this one, it did not work. I'm going to try Facebook itself. Honestly, it's not that hard to create, so I'm just going to press pages. I'm going to press pages. I'm going to press on create. Okay, I'm going to press on get started. So here I'm going to put my name. I'm going to put the name of the page, so I can just say Tifa Test Studio. Okay, so I'll press next. I press next. I will type it here. I will select digital creator and I will say next. So I have it here. It's not working. They say something went wrong, so it's not working. Let's go and try Facebook. Okay, so let's go try Facebook and let's see, maybe it's going to actually work. So let me go to my second account, the account that I actually reported. So I'm going to log in into the account. I'm going to log into the account. So I'm logging in now. You can see the name as Ajinde. You can see. So I'm going to press this drop down button. You will see a create Facebook page. So here we are going to press on next. I'm going to press let me just put another name, Olamilekan. Okay, let me just put another name, Olamilekan Comedy. So I'm going to put Olamilekan Comedy. So I'm just trying names. So I'm just trying names. So I'm going to put digital creator. I'm going to press next. It's not working. So what are we going to do? The next thing we are going to do, so I'm going to press create. So it's not working. So the next thing we are going to do now is to actually email them back. Okay, so email them. We give them straight ahead email. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to enter my ChatGPT. Because I don't want to stress myself to customize any email. I'm going to say Meta replied me to help me solve the unable to create Facebook page issue, but I tried it after they claimed they have solved it. It didn't work. So draft an email to send back to them that express my disappointment and my stressful in the system that keep giving me hard time when I did nothing wrong on my account, and I do not violate any community or guideline or policy. So I'm going to send this, and the ChatGPT is going to draft the email for me. So I'm going to send it back to them. Okay, I'm going to send it back to them so they can actually see. So let me go to my email, the email that I use. Okay, so I have sent it back to them. I send it back to them so they can see. Okay, it has actually gone now. I sent it back to them. You can see. So I want to use this opportunity to apologize officially if you are disappointed in Meta because they claim they have do it, because also me, I'm disappointed. I thought this thing is going to, I thought it is going to work now that Meta has actually claimed to have done it. Okay, so do not be afraid. Let's work on this. I'm going to create more video on this until we get to the point where we finally get an answer to this particular problem. Trust me, subscribe. I want to work on this thing very well. So on my next video, I'm going to walk you through how to use VPN to actually create this. We are going to try it. Okay, I've not even tried it, but someone claimed that they tried it work. So I'm going to try it lively here, so you guys will see. And if it work, you will know. If it didn't work, you are going to know also. So after this one, we will know the next step. Okay, so I'm sorry if you are disappointed and the video did not give you what you actually expected. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment until we find solution to this particular issue, because it is affecting me, it is affecting you. It's not because of views alone, it is affecting everybody. So we are both looking for a solution here. Tell me how long you have been experiencing this and what kind of thing that you have do just to make it work. I'll be in the comment section to read every comment and I will reply to you. I'd like to hear from you what your experience be, and if you have successfully created your account, please and please, if you successfully create your page, do not be selfish. In the comments how you successfully made it. There is another person that dropped that one, the one that I'm going to create next. It has is another person entirely that dropped it. So yours, drop your own. Let's see your opinion, and I'm coming there to see. As always, my name is Mike, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.